Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Arisha Maisara binti Hasbullah. Matric number 070622. Today, I'd like to do a food review and I've picked on Nasi Dagang as one of the type of rice cuisines. First of all, Nasi Dagang is a flavorful Malaysian dish consists of rice that is steamed in coconut milk and usually served accompanied by flavorful fish curry. It is traditionally associated with eastern parts of the country, primarily the regions of Kelantan and Terengganu, along with southern Thailand. Depending on the area, Nasi Dagang can be prepared with husked red rice or the combination of jasmine and glutinous white rice. It is enjoyed as a hearty breakfast that comes served those in flavor-packed fish curry, and it is usually complemented by pickled vegetables and hard-boiled eggs. I am here with my father, Mr. Hasbullah bin Abdul Wahab, to find out what he thinks of this Nasi Dagang as a customer. Mr. Hasbullah, how will you describe the taste?
The santan that used to cook the rice givers is a creamy, slightly sweet flavor that complements the spices in the fish curry. The fish curry itself has a rich taste that comes from the combination of spices. Overall, this Nasi Dagang is sure to satisfy any appetite.
Is it a good suggestion to others?
Yes, it is. Everyone should try the Nasi Dagang.
How about the price? Is it worth your money?
Even though there is a lot of steps need to be done in the making, the price is very reasonable. You can have such tasty dishes for only ringgit.
Alright, thank you Mr. Hasbullah for your time with me today. Hope you enjoy for the rest of your day.
Thank you, you are welcome. See you again.
As for me, I love fish curry with all my heart. The turmeric gives the curry a warm, slightly bitter flavor, while the cumin adds a nutty, earthy taste. The coriander seeds adds a fresh, citrusy flavor that balances all the other spices. Overall, Nasi Dagang is a dishes that you can enjoy with your family. I think that's all from me for this food review. Don't forget to try Nasi Dagang.